Hi, so this is another video for Blackboard tech support. I'm hoping that you've watched my first one, which shows you what tool I'm using to record with, but I got an answer back that you don't seem to understand still, so let me explain again. I'm in the grade book now. Like, I can make a recording and I can add it to the student's feedback, and I'll put that video in my reply to you. But so I go in here to my grade book and look at the user activity. And as you can see here on the right, I have the recording. It's there. I can't click on it and make it do anything. Like, I'm clicking on it right now, and it's not letting me play this recording. I can go to the full sort of grade center here and do it again. Again, I've got the box, but I can't play it. My students can play it, but I cannot. And that is the issue. And I can't believe that there's no way to play this once I put it in there. So that's what I'm trying to do. Please get back to me about how this can be fixed, or if I'm missing something to be able to access this. Thanks very much.